In this video, I'll detail how to enable or disable continue apps on other devices on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung phone and you have a Samsung tab, you can just turn on this feature on your Samsung Galaxy device so that when you are done using this application on your Samsung phone, you can continue where it stops on the Samsung phone on the Samsung tab. So if at the end of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to do this, all you just need to do is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on connected devices. Then locate continue apps on other devices, turn this on, then click on it again. Then you should see pick up where you left off on other devices signed into your Samsung account. Just tap the icon that appears on the recent scene of your supported devices. So here you can see this supported app include Samsung Internet and Samsung Note. So with this, you can continue from wherever you stop on your Samsung phone here on your Samsung tab when you have this turned on, and you can do this on apps like the Samsung Internet and then Samsung Note. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.